Hi guys, so I'm just doing another video for you on the Knacked bar, and this one's in strawberry crunch flavour. Again, it has 18% protein. It's gluten and wheat and dairy free as well, so it's the perfect choice for vegans. And it is also, it's got raw fruit in it and it's crunchy, and when you bite into it, it's basically soft yet crunchy, and it's very flavorful. All the flavors are extremely flavorful. The apricot one that I've done a review on as well is not my favorite. The strawberry and the cocoa, or the chocolate flavor one, are my favorite, but the apricot one's pretty flavorful as well. They all are very, very flavorful, delicious, but this one is really good. The only criticism I have about the bars is that I think that they should be a bit bigger. They're not that pricey, but I'd love the bar to be a bit bigger so you just get a bit more for your money. And also, I love the packaging as well, really smooth and soft. And I love the fact that they have a picture of the fruit like the flavour basically on here, so it's easy to like establish what is in the bar. So I love that it's a great food for like post and pre-workout because it has protein in it. And I normally eat these for after I work out, as I said in the other video as well. I really like that they are vegan because I always am on the hunt for vegan products, like since I became vegan. I've been a vegetarian for most of my life, but I haven't been vegan for very long. And I'm always on the hunt for new like snacks and stuff like that because I like to snack a lot during the day. So if anyone has any more like food recommendations or snack recommendations for vegans, please let me know in the comments below because I'm always looking for different snacks because I snack throughout the day, but I'm especially hungry after workouts. So these are perfect, but I just wish they were a bit bigger because they're so small. You can just fit them in your like gym bag and they don't take up a lot of room, and they don't melt like if you'd have a chocolate bar or something like that because they're not full of chocolate. Particularly this one. The chocolate one does have chocolate in it, the cocoa one. But yeah, I love these. If you've tried the strawberry flavour or any of the other flavours, please let me know in the comments below what you thought of it. Follow me at Bobby's Vlog on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter and Periscope, and let me know what you guys think of all my channels. Follow me on my main channel as well on YouTube, and subscribe to this one and my main YouTube channel. And if you guys want to be featured on my Bobby's Food account, which is my Instagram food account for vegans and vegan and vegetarian recipes and food, then check that out at Bobby's Food and tag me and use the hashtag @Bobby'sFood to be featured on there.